And oh no.
How old are you, Polly? 2. I told you, you're younger than me. I'm not taking a video, look.
No, you're only a month old. I'm older than you. Granny Polly. I'm 3. Oh.
That looks so weird.
Ninja Granny. Looks like she's got no hair.
Now where is it balaclava?
Ninja.
Ninja Polly.
Hello.
It's Ninja Granny.
I am Ninja Granny.
I've got to get that
It's all ready to
ninja.
go then, kids.
I'm a ninja.
Everybody ready? Excuse me.
I'm a ninja.
Where are you going now, Granny Polly? Or are you sitting down? I'm not.